Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up taxes on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log into your account. Then, from the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Now, click on Taxes and Duties from the Settings menu. Here, you'll see a list of different regions where you can manage tax settings. Click on any region where you want to start collecting taxes. You'll now see an option for Shopify tax. Click on Collect a new region to start setting it up. Then, select the region or country you want to collect taxes in. After that, enter a sales tax ID if you have one. This is usually required in many places to legally collect taxes. Once done, click on Collect Sales Tax to save the settings. Now, scroll down to the Tax Rate Management section. If there are uncategorized products, they will appear here. To customize tax settings, click on Add Override. Here, you can create a shipping override by entering the state and custom tax rate. You can also create a product override. Click on Add Override for products, then choose the collection, state, and enter the tax rate. Once everything is filled in, click on Add Overrides to apply the changes. Your taxes are now set up and ready to go based on your chosen regions and settings. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.